Welcome back everybody, Travis from Arcan Trailer here. Today I wanted to show you guys through the brand new 2023 Heartland Sundance 222 rear bath. It's going to be a couple style floor plan coming in at 25 feet, 11 inches for the overall length, just over 5,200 pounds dry. Going to be getting towards that half-ton towable territory, and of course anything larger than that. We've got a couple exciting updates for the 2023 on our Sundance products here, but we got lots to see, so let's jump right into it. Starting up front, we have the power tongue jack, of course, so when you're bringing it up and off the truck, just pressing a button, you're not standing there burning out your shoulder cranking it. Two 20-pound propane bottles, lots of capacity to get most people through a season. You can always upgrade or expand on that if you need to, of course. Sundance will do the 3/4 fiberglass cap with that section of diamond plate, checker plate below. And then we'll have our big pass-through storage just behind that. And we've got slam latch handles on there, which are always great to see. Beats having those little turnkey style doors. Anyways, moving on. In the pass-through storage, an update for the 2023s is going to be a solar package. I believe we're doing a 190 watt package with the Sundance products here. And then there is a quick connect hose for exterior water port if you need that. Below the pass-through storage, we'll have a control for our front power stabilizers. We'll have a switch towards the rear for the rear stabilizers as well. Power awning with the Sundance product, going to be just about full length on every floor plan there. So giving you some really good coverage even on shorter floor plans. And then there is a blue LED light strip up there, just a little bit easier on your eyes and a great job illuminating out front for you. Sundance does have a wider doorway with the solid step coming in, so if you've got a tray of snacks, maybe a tray of drinks, it's easy to get through and in that door. And then you do have the extra large grab handle here as well, just to provide a little bit more security when you're coming in. Now I want to show you guys just behind this slide out here, we've got one more feature to touch on for the exterior. It's going to be an outdoor kitchen setup. It's going to be tucked underneath the bathroom in the back, but we'll have a 110 power beverage fridge. And then our Elite Series griddle there, which is great for cooking up the bacon and eggs in the morning. And then no shortage of storage around for spices, the butter, whatever you might need. But always great to see that addition of an outdoor kitchen here. But I want to invite you guys inside, show you through the interior. Let's check it out. So coming into the Sundance 222, we're going to have an L-shaped kitchen right as we're coming in. We'll have a large single basin stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet. Always nice to have that sink cover, doubles as a cutting board if you need to prep some things. Some nice big storage compartments up across the top side. I do like to mention with our Sundance product is it is hidden hinges. So over time, if you ever happen to need to adjust a cabinet, you're not going to be defacing the exterior with new screw holes. It's all going to be on the interior side of that cabinet once again. For the kitchen, seamless countertops as well, so you don't have that T-molded corner that might be popping out on you over time. Of course, microwave and range hood with that Suburban Elite Series 3-burner cooktop. It does have the glass cover, which is always nice. You can flip that out of the way when you're cooking, of course. And if you ever need some extra prep area, prep space, just flip it back down and off you go. Over my left shoulder is going to be an 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator here. So great storage and an upgrade from previous years where we might have only seen a 6 cubic foot capacity. Now across from the kitchen area, this particular model was ordered in with the recliners instead of the dinette table, but that is an option. And then you have a table that just clips into the recliners themselves. But the good mention is those recliners are right across from the entertainment center here once again. So if it's a crummy afternoon and you're trapped inside, comfortable area to hang out, watch a movie, watch the news, whatever you might be doing. Now just behind this door back here, one of the real focal points with this floor plan being a rear bath. We do have a very spacious bathroom back here. Along the camp side, we're going to have a big vanity with no shortage of storage. Above, on the bottom side, that's where we're going to have that outdoor kitchen. So unfortunately, we don't get storage on the interior side, but you got no shortage of space to work with. Seamless counter back here as well. We'll have our foot flush toilet there, and then a linen closet just behind the shower. So nice big compartment up top with 2 shelves below. And lastly, of course, is that walk-in shower with the skylight above just to give you some added headspace. Into the master bedroom where we do get a pocket style solid door. closing off the master, not just that curtain or accordion style door you see with some other brands. But we do get full walk around access in here. It is your island style bed, and it is a true 60 by 80 queen. On either side of the bed, we do get a full length mirrored wardrobe with the hanging rod in there, a couple added cabinets above, and an additional spot just at the foot of the bed here. We had 3 drawers added in just for some added storage capacity, of course. Above that, there's power cable for an entertainment center up in the master if that's anything you're looking to have added in. And another great feature with the Sundance just behind me, you can see we've got the nice blackout roller shades there. With that, that's going to wrap up our tour of the 2023 Heartland Sundance 222 RB. My name's Travis from Arcan Trailer. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you real soon.